Thompson-Robinson. DTR steps up, breaks away, and then throws it.
On second down, here's DTR. Good sell job by DTR, and he's racing down the sideline. Open in the flat. And
defense is able to get off the field.
First third down attempt, and DTR keeps. Turns it back toward the middle of the field. Trip.
And DTR going down the field. Got Boba. So on second and goal, Brown motions. And DTR finds Brown. Touchdown, Bruins.
Play action, Thompson-Robinson in zone.
For UCLA than last week.
Backside pressure coming. Thompson-Robinson sits in it. Bruins trying to get to the edge. Wide open. Inside the line to gain.
Jake Bobo.
Thompson-Robinson in zone.
Charbonnet the setback. He keeps it. DTR.
When you've got a big back that you can inside zone and then pull it out, you track attention with your back, and then this
Isaiah Lewis ran him out, but a big play for DTR.